If you want to learn how to do the easiest eyeshadow look that I promise will literally only take you 5 minutes, keep watching. Whether you're a beginner or not, this eyeshadow look is gonna make everyone wonder how you even learned how to do that. So let's get right into it. Hey guys, so this is how the base is looking with no eye makeup on, so let me bring you in so we can get this started. Just clipped up my little front bangs that I had out. The starting step of this eye makeup tutorial is actually going to be eyeliner. Now I have an in-depth eyeliner tutorial. If you'd like to check that out, it's on my channel. I'll link it in the iCard over here. You can do this eyeliner any way that you choose, if you want a big wing, a small wing, whatever it is, but this is going to map out the way that your eye makeup looks as we continue. A quick version of my eyeliner tutorial is that I will draw my outer line first, then map the middle right here, and then you just fill it in. And the best part about this eye tutorial is that your wing does not by any means need to be perfect. That's because we're literally about to go in with eyeshadow to make it look purposely not perfect. By the way, for eyeliner, I am using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. It's the same one that I used in the tutorial. Getting into the actual fun part, what you want to go ahead and start with is a small brush like this. It's going to really give you precision. It's a very, very small brush. In terms of your eyeshadow palette, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Now you can use any eyeshadow palette that gives you a black and a brown. That's all you need. Go ahead and lightly tap into my black shadow. And what you'll want to do is close your eyes just a little bit. Start taking this black shadow just above that eyeliner line. Again, it can look messy. It literally does not need to be anything perfect. And it's supposed to have this kind of faded look. Sometimes it even helps to kind of close your eyes like this a little bit. I like to see it. And then just drag it kind of closed near the middle of your eye. So this is what you should be dealing with. Again, nothing crazy, nothing perfect. It takes like 10 seconds to do it. Now with either the same brush or a different one that almost has the same shape, this is the one I'm gonna use, you're gonna poke into a brown shade. All right, so same technique. I am just tapping this into the brown shadow. Okay, and so with the brown, you'll wanna go right on top of the black faded line that we just created with the eyeshadow, just like this. This is gonna give you a beautiful gradient ombre kind of look. The reason I do the brown is because I think it looks a little bit more natural and you can kind of already see it forming, but you can leave it at the black as well. With a small fluffy brush like this one, you'll just wanna go ahead and diffuse what we just did. Now, you guys can totally leave this eye looking like this if you'd like a matte eyeshadow look. Now, we're not done, but this could be the last that you do for the eyeshadow. However, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead with a beautiful glitter eyeshadow. This one right here is the Urban Decay Space Cowboy Shadow. It's a beautiful scattered glitter look. What I like to do is I'll just grab a little bit on my ring finger and I'll close my eyes and I'll place this on the inner to middle section of this eye. It just gives you like a little bit of glitter, and just when the light hits it, you guys, it looks immaculate. Now I've put so many people on Urban Decay Space Cowboy. You will not be disappointed if you try this or add it to this look. I'm going in with some mascara. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Bounce Mascara. A really important step with this eye look is that you're doing a good job with your lashes. It's really going to frame the way that this looks on your eyes. This would also be a great time to do your bottom lash mascara. If you notice, I didn't tell you guys to use any sort of eyeliners on your tight line or your waterline. You don't need to, but you totally can, especially if you want to make this look a little bit more dramatic. I'm gonna add some very simple lashes from Velour. Now these are my favorite. I've used them so many times, and these are the Velour lashes in a butterfly effect. And to stick these down, I'm using the V by Velour lash glue. All right, so you just want to go ahead and pop your lash on, just adjusting anything that needs a little help. All right, you guys, that is a completed eye look. I promise you guys, you're gonna love doing this once you get it down. It's just such a versatile eyeshadow look, which is why I wanted to make sure that I got to share this with you guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, but also make sure to subscribe down below for more videos like this. You can find more of me on YouTube Shorts every single day, but I also post a weekly video on YouTube. But also make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My username is Blends by Pooja on every single social media. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.